Hi, the next topic is mass defect and binding energy. We know that Einstein's mass energy relationship is given by the formula energy is equals to mc square. Okay. Now, if mass is given in atomic mass unit and speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, then energy is 931 mega electron volt. Means when you will convert one atomic mass unit into mega electron volt, it becomes 931 mega electron volt. So 1 AMU is equivalent to 931 mega electron volt, or or exact one, like you want it to be more closer, so you have to use 931.5 mega electron volt. Now delta M is the mass defect. It is difference between sum of masses of nucleons minus mass of nucleus. Okay. So we have this relation. We can also derive this relation. One second. Okay. Let's say we have been given. Okay. Hmm. Let's say we have been given an element whose mass they have given as XAMU. Its atomic number is given as Z and atomic mass number is given as A. So mass defect will be given as theoretical mass minus actual mass. Okay, that will be mass defect. So in generally in the questions, actual mass will be given of the nucleus as XAMU. So actual mass is XAMU. Theoretical mass we have to calculate. So for that we need to remember mass of a neutron. Let's say it is Mn. Mass of a proton is Mp. Now in this element or in this nuclei, they are Z, its atomic number is Z, means Z number of protons are there. So total mass of protons will be Z into Mp. And number of neutrons will be A minus Z. This much number of neutrons are there. So A minus Z into Mn, that is mass of a nuclei. This will give you the theoretical mass of this nucleus. So using this formula of mass defect, it will be Z Mp plus A minus Z Mn, mass of neutron, minus mass given, which was XAMU. Okay, so the same thing they have written here as this one. Okay, so that is your formula which you can directly use. Okay. Next is binding energy. Now binding energy is mass defect into c square. So mass defect we have already calculated. This was our formula of mass defect. Into c square will give you binding energy. But when the masses are given in atomic mass unit, so in that case you have to just multiply with 931 or 931.5 mega electron volt, or we can write binding energy formula is binding energy is mass defect into 931.5 mega electron volt. Okay. Next is size of nucleus. So a nuclear radius, it comes from actually experimental results, and it has been found that nuclear radius is proportional to A raised to power 1 by 3, where A is mass number of nucleus. So radius is directly proportional to A raised to power 1 by 3. Okay. And from here it's an experimental result, so the result has been found as radius of nuclei is r naught into a raised to power 1 by 3, where r naught value is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So this will give you the radius of nuclei. If let's say, assuming that nucleus is spherical of radius r, if someone asks you to calculate the volume of nucleus, so volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi into r naught cube into a, because the whole cube of this one will give you r naught cube into a. So that's how you calculate the volume of the nucleus. Okay. So that's all. Now we'll solve numericals based on this concept. Thank you.